Hello, my name is Peyton and I'm 6 years old. And we're going to read the story of Dinosaur Train, and we're also going to dramatize it with my power trains over there.
Ooh.
Dinosaur Train. Hold on a sec. Thursday was a day most like any other day for Jesse. Trains and dinosaurs. Dinosaurs and trains. Just before bed, Jesse drew one last picture. Suddenly there was a big, loud noise, and the whole house began to shake. All aboard, someone said. Please have your tickets ready. Thank you, said the conductor. Dining car to the rear. Let me show you the view from the sky windows. Then,
Tunnel
ahead, Jesse yelled. Duck! When they came out of the tunnel, Jesse said, Look, that's
amazing.
That's amazing. Everyone leaned over to see. Uh-oh. Jesse took charge. Come on, you can do it. Push it back onto the track. Thanks, son. You can ride up here with me. Next stop, Jesse's room.
Roar!
Thanks for joining me on my dinosaur story time. Now let's play on my dinosaur trains. All aboard!
So what have we got here, Peyton?
Well, this is my whole, it's like a eye figure 8 for the eyes. Western Pacific, my friend Randy gave me. Put a little frog on it. Made it 2 eyes and some lips.
Ooh, look at all these dinosaurs on your train.
Yep. Now I'm going to start running them. They already got Jesse on them.
And there it goes.
All aboard!
Ooh.
Thank you, said the conductor. Dining car to the rear. Let me show you the view.
Oh, crash.
Oh, no.
That's okay.
Well, that hopper always falls off.
That's okay, rewind it.
We don't need that hopper. I'll go in that thing. Pause the show, okay? Then, tunnel ahead, Jesse yelled. Not that. Tunnel ahead, Jesse yelled. Stop! When they came out of the tunnel, Jesse said, Look, that's amazing! Everyone leaned over to see.
All right, Peyton. Let's come and say goodbye to your audience.
No, we're not ready for it yet. Hello, my name is Peyton, and this is my favorite dinosaur, T-Rex. Got it for Christmas